the XCN price prediction coming up right now. So we'll start with the longer term time frame price prediction, and what we're looking at, especially right here, is the EMAs. We're definitely in a confirmed downtrend. You can see from these lows right here, we have a lower low, lower low, lower low, lower low, lower low, and now we're here. And lower high, lower high, lower high. So all of the highs are low. We have not touched any of the EMA. So here's what I think. I think that from here, at one point, we need to have a good pump to one of the EMAs, like the 10 EMA, and that would be the goal. The goal would be to touch the 10 EMA on the daily chart. On the longer term time frame. On the shorter term time frame, what I'll be looking at is a confirmed pump to at least the 200 EMA, so we can liquidate all of these weak shorts. That's basically the strategy. That's basically how I'm planning to do this. If you have more ideas in your strategy, if you want to talk about your strategy, let me know in the comment section down below. I'll be sitting on my card, sitting on my hands for when it comes to XCN today. There's links in the description down below if you want to learn more about my strategy, how I'm up so much on VOOX, on this new wallet that I've been building. I have a course, made it super cheap, and also I have a Signals chat in the link in the description down below. See you soon. Love you with all my heart.